This video will go over how to install the X6058S EcoHitch on your Subaru Solterra. Start by using a pry tool and removing the 6 push-type retainers found on the underside of the rear bumper. Remove the 2 retaining bolts that are positioned on either side of the bumper. When disconnecting the rear bumper from your factory fender flares, you will see more push-type retainers and a 10mm retaining bolt inside the rear wheel well. Untab the fender flare from the fender as well. Open the trunk to gain access to the rest of the hardware. Carefully pry away the fender flare while pushing in the tabs located on the inside of the flare. Using a body tool, pry off the plastic cover to gain access to the bolt and pins. Remove push-type retaining pins and the bottom retaining bolt, as well as the 2 retaining bolts holding the tail light in place. Pull the taillights away from the vehicle and place it in a safe location. You will need to do this for both sides of the vehicle. The black inline plug is a small push pin to unlock from its housing. The lower large cap is a twist style locking mechanism covering a 4-prong pin with the pin release. Starting from one side of the vehicle, gently pull the bumper off. When doing this, unplug the wiring harness connected to the rear bumper. Next, unbolt the bolts and nuts holding the factory crossmember in place. The factory crossmember and bolts will not be reinstalled. Place a split lock washer and flat washer on each on the M10 bolts. Lift the hitch in place on the vehicle by hanging the hitch on the threaded stud. Partially thread the 8 M10 bolts on the factory mounting holes. Once the hitch is mounted and centered, torque the M10 bolts to 50 foot-pounds. Next, please refer to the provided instructions for measurements and information on how to trim the bumper for an access port. Reinstall all factory components with original hardware in the reverse order of removal. When you're ready to use your hitch, slide the insert adapter into the receiver hitch. Secure the adapter with one 5/8 split lock washer, one 5/8 flat washer, and the 5/8 by 4-inch hex bolt, and torque the bolt down to 112 foot-pounds. Always check and retorque the bolt before each use as needed.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torquelift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.